Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video, I will show you to convert PNG image file to the PDF. Here you can go and type PNG to PDF online. After that, press enter and here you can get different websites. So here you can see this one, PNG to PDF. You can go here and now you can select your PNG file. Here you can see this one is PNG file. If I go here and then click on properties, so this one is image file. Now let's go and upload this file, this one, and now let me scroll down. Now here you can see file is converted, then simply click on download button, and now here you can see within few seconds it is converted into the PDF format. So in this way you can easily convert image files into PDF.